Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. I am here at Goodwood Festival Speed 2020-23. I'm here at the rally stage, Paddock. So let's have a look at all the lovely rally cars going through the stage. As you can see, it's Goodwood is celebrating 50-year anniversary of the WRC. As you can see by the pictures behind me, there's a good selection of rally cars over the years. So let's go and have a look at all the lovely rally cars on the stage, and at the end of the video, all the rally cars in the paddock. So again, let's have a look at all the lovely rally cars on the stage.
And what you've got to do there, Harry, is just make sure that your suspension is compliant. Yeah. In this gorgeous legacy Group A.
Guarantee scheme, making the Rally 1 or the Rally 2, the Hyundai, would you call any of those game changers?
I wouldn't now, Harry, simply because it's like Formula 1, the margins.
About 30-minute, 25-minute lunch break for everybody, and then we'll get back up and running the shootouts, the competitive element this week. Taking off every day, and we'll get going at around 3 o'clock local time to give you an idea.
The M3 probably, but I can say, you know, that's another sound that is kind of iconic, but yeah, it pretzels M3 and a legacy.
Fantastic. Conditions, how bad, how good?
I have no idea, but we only jolly about if it's dry or wet.
Enjoy the road. The co-driver's smiling away.
Mark 1 corner score. MG. Front wheel drive MG. Porsche 911. Hey, stalled it.
For Goodwood. Fantastic. If you are up at the Forest Rally Station, check out the RAF Lightning Rally Team and how they get on the deadline to build their rally car.
To Stephen Graham and Sean Smith. Stephen and
100 USA. This is one of two cars that Pro Drive sent across to Subaru USA, and of course became quite famous, been driven by Marlboro anniversary of their passing.
So that was the first car, wasn't it? Out onto the track right at the start of the day when it was still raining, but certainly it has gotten heavier. Although now, as I look out the commentary box window, I think it is just getting a little bit lighter than it was about 15.
The Lancia Delta in the rally, the Group A version, as we look at Ford Box. And of course, earlier on, if you were looking at slow-mo, the difference, Harry, with the surface here is when that chalk gets into the tread of the tyres.
But 53 MG Metro currently occupying at the top 5 buses. We're going to shoot out a little later on at around about 3 o'clock, depending on how we're doing on timings, and that's when not everyone has to stage. So you've done a bit of that, though.
in your time. Not a massive amount. I did rallycross up at Gallo a while, and I did a couple of 500 metres, but as he landed, he just nipped the handbrake on, so that when he left foot brake, he had more brake than the back. The control and skill these guys have is nothing short. It's amazing. They're
WRC event, but in the hands of big companies, Paddock. RS Goodwood, fantastic. Ready to go. On the right hand side of the left hand drive, Lancia Delta Avon. Endurance rallying more so than anything, and we're going to catch up up through Ford Fiesta R5, which we still take to the track in a few moments. Speaking of Fords, many of them.
Start my tour of the paddock. There's another row of Subarus. How cool are they? Let's check them out. So it's 99 Subaru Team Rally USA bug eye one, 99 WRC Impreza, last of the classic shapes, the 97 Impreza WRC. Next up is the 96 Impreza Group A one. Seems to be doing some engine work to it, and they've even got a spare block as well. Doing some work to the gearbox as well. Some serious open heart surgery on this Impreza. Next up we got a little Fiesta. And we got a Evo 5 rally car, which is got the old snorkel on, so it's probably taken part. It was taking part in the Safari Rally with the old snorkel on it. 97 Escort WRC, 94 Escort Cozzy, 92 Celica, and the old famous Castrol colours. Old 91 Group A in Legacy, and the old Rossman's colours. 1988 Delta Integrale. Mitsubishi Evo 4. 83 Escort GR G3. 98 Hyundai Coupe. 77 Escort Mark II, 87 Sierra RS Cozzy, Mitsubishi Galant VR4. Check out this lovely old rally Porsche 911, Mark II Escort, Group N Impreza. Next up we have an R5 Hyundai. 2005 Focus WRC, 2015 R5 and Fiesta, 75 19 Fiat 131, 77 Mark II Escort RS 1800 with the Rossman's colours on it, another 77 Mark II in the old Andrews Hire livery, a 22 R5 Fiesta, brand spanking new, pretty much. 2018 Fiesta R5, an old Skoda Octavia WRC car, and a Proton R5 car. Runs that little lineup of rally cars. Lovely collection of Audi Quattros and Audi 80, the yellow stickers on it, and their period collect support vans as well. How cool are they? Even the old school vans as well. Just looks so cool. Next up we've got the lineup of rally cars. We've got this Porsche 1975 911 3 litre RS rally car with all the fog lights on it, an 83 911 SC RS, big fat arches on it. Don't see many rally 911s. RS 2000 Evo, the fog lights on it. An 85 Metro 6R4.
Guy Yords is the.
Yeah, okay. Alright, nice one.
85 Lada. Another Fiat. 1976 Ferrari 38 GTB. Yes, a Ferrari rally car. In yellow. Don't see many yellow Ferrari rally cars. 1990s Evo 3 rally car. Another 90s Evo. It's another Evo 3. 81 Opel Skona. Fiat 131 a Bath with the classic Italia sponsorship on it. Group Impreza. MGS 2000. Oh, it's been in a bit of the wars. Obviously hit a hay bale out there. Alistair McRae, ex-Alistair McRae 94 Sunny GTI. 1978 Opel Skona. Big Ford Thunderbird. Yeah, big Ford Thunderbird. Lovely Audi Quattro A1 in the Rosmans colours. Audi Quattro Coupe Dakar. Look how wide those arches are. Some seriously wide arches on that thing. Big air scoop on the roof. Mitsubishi Rover SC1 V8. I've been in the wars as well. Opel in the Bassos colours. Citroen DS from 73. Lotus Esprit S1 V8 powered. Subaru Legacy, yellow one. The old classic flat 4 engine. Renault Alpine 110 from 1972. 1970s Lancia Fulvia coupe. Vauxhall Chevette from 1978. It's 1969 Austin Maxi. 68 RS 1600 Mark 1 Escort. Morris Mini Cooper S. From 1966. A 1976 Triumph TR7 V8. That ends that row of cars. Last lineup of cars is this 84 Nissan 240 RS. 2016 Fabia. Check out the size of that air filter. And the turbo. Turbo on that. Here's something for you. You don't see many Skoda Fabias with a Subaru Impreza engine in it, but this one has. It's 2016 Fabia R5 car with an Impreza engine in it. Peugeot 205 T16 from 86 with a massive great big wing on it and the big canards on the front. Rear engines from the Group B rally days. 2010 Impreza Group N car. Blue and white. Another Group N Impreza from 2006. 2000 Subaru Impreza WRC. Last car in the lineup is this 2013 Toyota GT86 rally car in the iconic Castrol livery. So I hope you enjoyed my video of the rally stage up here at Goodwood 2023. Again, please subscribe and hit the like button, and thanks for watching everyone, and goodbye.